Eric asked, Murph, I have been searching high and low for someone to replace the cement front stoop at my house in Minneapolis. I can't get anybody. Now, I told Eric, I said, at the end of the day, hey, post-COVID, right at this transition where everybody's kind of getting back into the swing of things, there's a lot going on when it comes to remodeling or real estate. It has been gangbusters. So if you're going out and you're trying to get bids on anything remodeling, I'm gonna tell you right now, general contractors, subcontractors are buried. When you get that bid, if you can even get a hold of anybody to get that bid, just be prepared that they will be adding a significant amount, most of them, to the price that you might otherwise pay. For instance, for this front stoop, I told Eric, hey, be prepared to pay $3,000 to $4,000 to get a front stoop done at your house. And if someone quotes you $8,000, don't do it, because they're just throwing it out there to see how desperate you are. Now, the other thing to that is don't always take the lowest bid, because that might be the worst contractor, because any contractor that's worth anything right now is going to be busy. So you're gonna wanna get, the right contractor who's probably telling you, yeah, I'm busy, but I'll fit you in. Most of all, that's why he called me. Get a trusted person who can give you a trusted referral for someone that does good work or they've had work done in the past. Because just working with anybody, you never know what you're gonna get. So if you're looking for a subcontractor, general contractor, or you need any help when it comes to remodeling, building a house, an addition, whatever, hit me up. I'm here to help.